Welcome to Louisville Presbyterian Theological Seminary, or welcome to learning about Louisville Seminary. My name is Andrew Pomerville. I'm honored and proud to be the 11th president here at this exceptional institution. For 170 years, Louisville Seminary has been training folks to go off into the world and to be the hands and feet of Christ in all sorts of ministries, as teachers, as counselors, as pastors. Today, we continue that incredible legacy by proclaiming the gospel, helping folks to care for all, and working for justice in communities everywhere. I hope that you'll take a chance to learn about Louisville Seminary and ask the questions that will help you discern if this is the right place for you next. Sarah and Becky from our admissions office are delighted to answer any questions you might have, but honestly, all of us here are happy to share the Whosoever community message with you. We believe truly that all people are called. All people are welcome. All people are part of God's family. Here at Louisville, we live that ethos out, and we are a place where all people have the opportunity to explore what they're called to do next. We have incredible programs that are out here, and transformation happens within all of them. I personally have a Master's of Divinity and went on to get my Doctorate of Ministry that led me to this type of ministry now in higher education. I have colleagues who have gone off into politics, certainly into church work, into mission, who've gone on to be teachers, parents, community leaders, neighbors, people who march and people who protest, people who speak up for justice everywhere, and I hope you feel that same call. Reach out to us here at Louisville Seminary, and anytime you have a question, please know that we are here to answer, and we are here to partner with you along the journey. Looking forward to meeting you soon.